Hi my loves, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. Thank you so much for coming back. If you are a returning subscriber, if you are new here, welcome. You have found your way to an amazing place on Beyonce's internet. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing my review as well as a try on haul of Skims Swim. Okay, Skims Swim has been on my wish list since March when she initially did her Skims Swim launch, and she did a restock slash added more colors in the end of July, and I went ahead and picked up 4 swimsuits as well as an accessory, and I'm going to show you guys in this video. So I'm really excited slash nervous about today's video because I really want to like the things, because if you guys know me, if you know Kendra, if you know Kensthetic, you guys know I love me a good swimsuit. But we're gonna see, because the girls were talking, so we're gonna see if they really was saying something while they were talking. So before we get started with today's video, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that red subscribe button down below, and join the family because we're doing big things over here. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
Before we get into the pieces, I wanted to let you guys know that Skims Swim is still available on Skims website. It launched in sizes from extra small to 4X, so inclusiveness in the sizes. And just for sizing reference, I usually wear a size small in Skims items. In other items, I'm about a size 4-6, just so you guys know as you guys are watching this video.
So I actually have on the first swimsuit. First of all, what I will say is I really love the way that Skims diversified her swim collection. So it wasn't just bikinis. We had monokinis, we had one pieces, we had long sleeve, we had short sleeve, we had skirts, we had biker shorts. She gave us diversity, okay? She gave us inclusiveness, she gave us options, and we love that. So this is the first swimsuit that I got. I have on some underwear underneath, so don't mind it. So this is the first swimsuit. It is a swim tank bikini top in the color ochre, I think that's how you pronounce it, and I have this top in a size small, and then the bottom are her swim mid-waist shorts in the same ochre color, and these are a size small. The top was $48 and the bottom was $42. So this is how it looks. So I don't mind this set. The only thing is I wish I didn't get this color. I don't know what I was thinking. I wish I got the gunmetal, or I wish I got the black, because I feel like I would have liked that better. This color is like kind of strange because it's just like, I don't know, maybe it has to grow on me, but I'm just like, I don't know if I really love this color in this set. So I might actually return this set and get either the gunmetal or the black of this set. The top, I could have got a medium, because you guys know I hate when my tops give like smush chitty, and it's low-key giving that. I feel like a medium would have been more of a relaxed fit on my boob area. But this is the first swimsuit that I got. I love it, but I don't love the color that I chose to get in this, so I will definitely be returning it and getting a different color. This next piece is definitely giving snatched. Once again, hold on, let me give y'all details. So this is the Skims Swim zip front sleeveless one piece in the almond color, and this was $88 and I got it in a size small. A couple of things. Once again, the color, I don't know what I was thinking. I think I was just rushing to do my order, because this color almond is literally like my skin tone, which I'm not mad at it, but I feel like once again I would have preferred like a black, or I would have preferred a gunmetal in this swimsuit. Also, I got a size small and it's definitely giving smush. So far I'm just realizing that I'm a size medium in Skim Swim, but we'll see as we continue to try these pieces on. It does have the zip detail in the front, which you can go ahead and, you know, zip down a little bit, but I don't know what this little flap here is supposed to be, because I feel like it just sits like that. Maybe that's the style, or maybe I just like tuck it away, but looks real good on the boobs. I'm not going to show y'all the whole bottom because I'm not trying to get demonetized on YouTube, but the small fits in my bottom area. Maybe I am a small. Maybe I'm a small. Yeah, I think the small is fine because I feel like the medium is going to be too big in the buttocks area. So the small is definitely my size. I'm not mad at this color, but I probably would, because it looks like I have nothing on, but maybe that's the joy of it. Like, maybe that is the almond joy, no pun intended. But I love this swimsuit. I love the fit of it. I love the material of it. It feels really, really, really nice. Definitely makes a girl feel more confident in a swimsuit. So yeah, I love this onesie. And I'm not really a one-piece kind of girl because I have a short torso and I feel like one pieces don't really flatter my shape. But this one piece right here, is a one piece. This next set, I definitely had to get in a size medium because the small was sold out and I had to get this color. Like, how could you get Skims Swim and skip over this color? Like, this is a color of melanin skin. Oh yes, baby, give it to me. Medium in the top, a small was definitely going to be given areolas out. So I feel like my boobs look good, but I feel like the medium in the top is fine. The medium in the bottom isn't bad, but a small would have fit me better, I will say that. So this top is the Skims Swim micro triangle top in the color Taffy in a size of medium, and this was $36. And the bottom is the Skims dipped tie bottoms in the color Taffy in a size medium, and the bottom was $36. I really, really love this color. The top, I definitely needed a medium. Like, if I got a small, it was giving nipple out, it was giving areola out. These triangles, they small, okay? They small on this top, so I will say that. So if you guys are interested in getting this top, definitely go up a size from your normal size. And the bottoms, I got a medium because that's all that was left, but I definitely could have got a small, maybe even an extra small, just to give, like, you know, a little, literally a little bikini moment. But I really love this color. It looks so good on my skin, and with a tan, baby, with a tan on melanin skin, this color is a T. So out of all the colors, I would probably say this color right here is my favorite. I have, you know, a whole bunch of different pink swimsuits, but this pink right here, let me get closer so y'all can see. My boobs look good, but I know they're not done, but this color looks so friggin' good on the skin. I cannot wait to dress this swimsuit up. Like, this is coming with me on my next tropical vacation, and when I tell y'all that the pictures are going to be fire, just prepare yourselves from now, period. And just to give y'all a little peek, this is what the bottom looks like. So I feel like it definitely gives a little dip detail on the front, and then the ties on the side, and then the back. It's a little baggy, as I told you guys. I could have done like a small or an extra small, but this is how the bottoms fit. I'm not gonna show too much now. The last swimsuit that I got, yeah. I don't know if I ever told you guys, but I've been fiending for like a nice chocolate brown swimsuit, and when I saw this one, I'm like, I have to get it. And of course, y'all may be thinking, or y'all were probably thinking, like, when Kim dropped swim gloves, who was it for? Who needed it? Me, okay? Because I'm just that extra. I don't know if I could use my, oh, and I could use my phone with these gloves on. So this top is the swim triangle top in cocoa. So this top has bigger triangles than the pink one that I just showed you guys, just so you guys know. This bottom is a swim dipped tie bottom. So this is the same swim bottom as the pink one that I just showed you guys, and I got this in a size small. And then the gloves are the swim gloves in cocoa, 48 cash, one size only. So let's get into it. Okay, first of all, my gloves have a hole in them, so I need to contact Skims so they can either give me a refund or give me a new pair of gloves. That's number one.
So just a quick little update, because your girl did contact customer service after doing this try on haul, because I did not try on any of the items prior to recording this video, but customer service was really helpful. They ended up just giving me a refund and advised me to either repurchase the item if it was still in stock or donate it. So I just wanted to give you guys that little update, because I never had a situation where I had to contact Skims customer service. So yeah.
Number two, love the color of this. Let me put it down so y'all can see a little something. I love the color of this swimsuit. Love, love, love how it looks on my skin tone. The gloves, I'm just like, who's gonna wear gloves to a pool? But it's gonna be me, okay? And it's gonna look so cute in my pictures. So mind your business. If you like why you got the gloves, I got the gloves because I like the gloves. But I love this swimsuit. I feel way more comfortable in this swimsuit than the pink one, because these triangles, as I mentioned, do give more coverage. And once again, the boobs look real good, period. So, and on my skin I have on my Pumas gel oil because I know somebody gonna ask, but I love to put this on for vacation. So I was just like, I'm doing a swim haul, so I need to put this on so I can see how everything looks together, you know what I'm saying? So these are the bottoms, just to give you guys a little sneak peek. I don't want to show too much for YouTube to, you know, take my coins. And then this is how the back looks, but it's basically the same bottom as the pink one, but just a size small versus a size medium. Those are all of the swimsuits I picked up from Skims Swim. Now I wanted to give you guys my overall thoughts and opinions so that we can wrap this video up. So first of all, I love the quality. I saw some people saying like items were in double line. I don't know if she changed the quality from her first launch to her second one, but my items are definitely double lined, so I'm not sure if she changed the quality, but I wanted to call that out because that's the only like negative comment I saw people having. So I wanted to clear that up in my review, that my items ain't double lined. The only thing I think I'm gonna return is the first one I'm gonna return, the biker shorts and the swim tank, and then I'm gonna see if I could get a different color in the almond one piece. If not, I'm not mad at the almond. I told you I was giving sweets almonds, but if they do have a darker color, I'll go ahead and get that. I wouldn't even be mad at a cocoa in that one piece, but I'm not 100% sold on it right now. The pink I love, the brown I love, but the others I'm gonna have to figure it out. But that is my review. That is a trial haul. So if you guys are considering getting Skims Swim, I would recommend, because I love all of the items. I love all of the fits. I told you guys my opinions on sizing of these items, so make sure you guys take that into consideration as you're placing your order. As we are speaking, there are still some items that are in stock on the website, so you guys can go ahead and pick it up. If not, I will be sure to post on my Instagram when I see that they're doing a restock. So make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at Kensthetic_ on Instagram, so you guys can see when I post if Skims is doing a restock. But you can also follow them on Instagram and turn on their post notifications, but they be dropping stuff every other day, so just follow me and I'll let y'all know when it's coming back in stock. I'll go ahead and link all of the items mentioned in today's video down below, so you guys can reference those links and shop and, you know, help your girl get a little affiliate coin or whatever, because they are affiliate links. If you guys aren't in the business of helping me make money, you can just search the items online on your own. I won't be mad at you. But that's all I have for this video. Comment down below, let me know, did you guys pick up anything from Skims Swim? Do you guys plan to? Which of these swimsuits were your favorite? Comment down below and let me know. That's all I have for this video, so make sure you guys subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Mwah.